Hey guys, welcome back. Believe it or not, it's almost time for the first exam. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the exam and especially how you're going to prepare for it, what your study habits are going to be. I think what you need to focus on is to watch the videos, to read the lecture notes, but also you must read the book. This whole class is going to be very dependent on the book, and the test will come out of issues covered in the book. Now, many of the things in chapter 20 may seem simple, but in fact, they're more complicated than that. So what you'll want to do is, as you read the rules that are set out in chapter 20, and that's what most of the chapter is about. What are the rules? Well, you want to be able to be sure that you can apply those rules into a fact pattern, because that's what your questions will look like. There will be a short fact pattern, and what you'll have to do is not simply just know the rule, but also to be able to apply that rule. So it's best that you know the rules as best you can before you go in. Don't over rely on the fact that it's an open book or open note test. Make sure you know the rules. You're going to have an hour and 15 minutes in which to take the exam. You should not need that whole time for it. There'll be 50 multiple choice questions, maybe some true and false, or fill in the blank worked in there as well. But in any event, it's a pretty straightforward test. The important thing for you to do is to focus on preparation. So read those samples. Every time the book has an example, that's what your questions are going to look like. They're going to be a short fact pattern, and then rather than telling you the answer as the examples do, I'll give you 3 distractor answers as well as the real answer. So be sure and work through those. Also, do the worksheets on MindTap. Those questions will again resemble very closely the types of questions on the test. That's all. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, be sure and let me know.